Welcome to GEIRANGER, one of the most beautiful villages in Norway. Today, we are going on a walking tour. Let's start at the GEIRANGER Fjord, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Look at the deep blue water and the tall, green mountains. You might see a cruise ship in the fjord. Now we walk towards the GEIRANGER Church. It is a small white church built in 1842. Many visitors like to take photos here. From here, we go to the Norwegian Fjord Center. It tells us more about the fjord, nature, and local life. Let's walk up to Fjellidalsjuvet viewpoint. It is a little steep, but the view is amazing. You can see the whole fjord and village below. Don't forget to take pictures. Next, we walk back down to the village center. There are small shops, cafes, and places to rest. You can try some Norwegian waffles here. Our last stop is the waterfall walk. It has over 300 steps beside the Storfossen waterfall. You can feel the mist and hear the roar of the water. This is a great way to end our walk. Now let's visit the small harbor. You can see colorful boats and sometimes fishermen working. This is also where the fjord tours by boat start. You can wave to people going on a kayak tour. From the harbor, we walk to Hamong. It is a peaceful area with old farmhouses and great views. The trail is flat and easy. Along the way, you can hear birds and maybe see sheep. Hamong has a small beach where you can relax and enjoy the quiet. After Hamong, we walk back and visit the souvenir shops in the village. You can find troll dolls, wool sweaters, and postcards. Some shops also sell local jam and chocolate. Let's stop by the fjord gardens. They are small but full of flowers in summer. There are benches to sit and enjoy the view. Now we walk up to Westers farm. It is a working farm with animals like goats and cows. You can pet them and even try fresh cheese. It is quiet and not crowded. You can see waterfalls and high cliffs. This is a good place to take a break and listen to nature. We begin near the fjord and slowly climb the stairs next to the Storfossen waterfall. You can feel the cool air and hear the water rushing. There are platforms where you can stop and look at the waterfall. It's very exciting and safe. After the waterfall walk, we go to GEIRANGER camping area. It's calm and by the water. You can see people with tents or small cabins. This is also a nice place for a picnic. Look for the Seven Sisters waterfall across the fjord. It has 7 separate streams falling down the cliff. People say it looks like dancing women. Near this area, you might see goats walking freely. They are friendly and used to people. After the viewpoint, we walk back slowly. You can stop for ice cream or coffee in the village. If you have energy left, you can also rent a bike or go for a short kayak ride. But for now, our walking tour is finished. You have seen waterfalls, farms, viewpoints, and peaceful nature. GEIRANGER is small but full of beauty. Now let's take a calm walk along the GEIRANGER Heritage Trail. This is an easy path with signs that tell stories from the past. You will see pictures of old farms and people who lived here long ago. The trail goes near the river and is great for quiet walking. It looks like a loop and was used to help horses pull heavy carts up the mountain. It's a fun and special place to take a photo. This time we might take a different path, through green meadows and quiet forests. You may hear cowbells or birds singing. As we return to the village, we stop by GEIRANGER Chocolate Factory. It's small, but you can see how local chocolate is made. You can taste different flavors, like berries or sea salt. It's a nice treat after walking. Then we take a last stroll along the shore of the fjord. Sit on one of the benches and look at the still water and tall cliffs. Sometimes, you will see a rainbow near a waterfall. It feels like a dream. This is the perfect way to end the walking day. Now let's walk to a hidden spot called Skadfjell Farm. To get there, we first take a short boat ride across the fjord. Then we hike up a steep trail. It takes some time, but the view is amazing. People used to live here and farm goats. It feels like you're standing above the clouds. After spending time at the farm, we hike back down carefully. Here, we watch the big cruise ships arrive. It's fun to see people waving from the decks. Near the dock, there is a small marina with wooden boats. Sometimes you'll see people fishing. You can even rent a little boat for a short ride. Behind the hotel, there is a hill with trees, flowers, and a small lookout. It is quiet, and you might spot deer or squirrels. Back in the village, if we still have time, we can join a local food tasting. Some places let you try smoked salmon, brown cheese, and fresh berries. As we finish the tour, we listen to the sounds of nature, waterfalls, birds, and the wind in the trees. It is not in the village, but we can take a shuttle or drive up the mountain, then walk around the top. The skywalk is one of the highest fjord views by road in Europe. It stands 1,500 meters above sea level. When the sky is clear, you can see the whole fjord, the village, and snowy peaks all around. It feels like standing on top of the world. There are safe glass fences, so you can take brave pictures. The air is cold and fresh, even in summer. You can walk around it a bit, Throw small stones into the water and enjoy the silence. Sometimes, you see wildflowers growing nearby. This walk goes to a special waterfall, where you can walk behind the water. The trail is rocky but not too hard. When we reach the waterfall, we go behind the curtain of water. It's safe and fun. You will get a little wet, so bring a jacket. After that, we return to the village for a cozy rest. This is a great way to relax at the end of the day. Geiranger has so many beautiful places. This is where many tours begin, and you can learn about different fjord activities. It's a relaxing walk with nice views of the village and small wooden bridges. You will see the river moving fast with clear water from the mountains. Along the path, there are signs showing fish like trout that live in the river. A little cafe near the water. You can sit outside with a warm drink and enjoy the view. Many people say it's one of the most peaceful spots in the village. It's not far, and gives another view of the fjord from a different angle. Sometimes you'll see kayaks and small boats moving through the still water. There are benches to sit and watch. Then we head to a tiny museum near the village called the GEIRANGER Fjord World Heritage Exhibition. It is small but tells a lot about the local people, animals, and nature. You can press buttons to hear sounds or watch short videos. Finally, we take one last easy stroll down to the small beach near the harbor. Let's now take a peaceful walk to a quiet area called Mark, just outside the main village. It is a small neighborhood with farms and green fields. You can see cows, goats, and sometimes horses. The road is flat and quiet, perfect for a slow walk. As we walk, we hear birds and maybe the gentle sound of cowbells. It's not working now, but it shows how people used water to cut wood long ago. A small pier where local boats used to stop. It is calm, with great views of the fjord, and usually has no crowds. There's a wooden bench to sit and enjoy the silence. There's a walking path beside it, with more views of the water, flowers, and mountains, which many tourists enjoy visiting. It's small, but it has everything: Norwegian snacks, fruit, local cheese, and handmade goods. It's a fun stop even if you don't buy anything near the fjord. It's flat, quiet, and has beautiful reflections of the mountains in the water. You can see ducks swimming or people fishing from small rocks. This path is not too busy and gives you beautiful views from higher up. We start from near VESTERS farm and walk slowly through forest and open hills. You will see wildflowers, moss, and maybe some mountain birds. As we get higher, we find a viewpoint with a wooden bench. From here, you can look down at the fjord, the waterfalls, and the village far below. It's a great place for a peaceful rest and photo. After enjoying the view, we walk back down and stop by a place called **Kolhitterog Camping***. It's a small camping area where you can meet travelers and enjoy a snack at a picnic table. Sometimes there are large ferries coming in, and you can watch them open their big doors to let cars and people off. Next,